All right. So welcome.
Hello.
What's your name? Where you're from? And what do you usually do?
Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm from the U.S. And what do I usually do? I have no idea.
You are a big part of Ocean Nomads. What is your involvement in Ocean Nomads?
Yeah, so I am the community captain or the community manager. So I help people on the network, I host online meetups, and I also help facilitate all of these trips.
Thank you. And obviously you are also into sailing. That's how you got into sailing due to Ocean Nomads, I guess, a little bit. Could you just give me a brief picture of your sailing background?
So I have no sailing background. I grew up about an hour north of New York City, then lived in the woods and was farming for many years. But there was always a small part of me that wanted to surf and sail and live by the ocean and not live in New York. So that was always kind of screaming inside of me a little bit until one day, a lot of life changes happened, and then I decided to act upon all of that. I had friends that sailed, and every time I was on their boat, it was just like this feeling that I couldn't really find anywhere else. So one day I was sitting, on my couch on a Sunday morning, Googling I needed to do something, and found Ocean Nomads, found Susie, and just found that all the elements and values aligned with exactly what the next step I wanted to take in my life was. And then from there it just kind of skyrocketed me into this wild life of me getting interviewed on a dock in Greece. So now I'm here.
Yeah, thank you. We're here on the dock in Greece.
It might not be a dock for much
longer. It might be a raft.
I think so.
Maybe we have to drop anchor. But I was going to ask, we've been in Greece now for 11 days, 12 days or something. What has been going on the last 12 days?
Yeah, so we had 4 boats, 4 amazing skippers that brought us all here safely. And like Yante had said, 4 very different dynamics apparently on each boat. But we had amazing people from 14 nationalities, 15 nationalities, different ages, different skill sets. And it's really cool to see everyone coming together to become part of a team. And it usually does take a first couple days to get the kinks out, but when everyone finds their role and really learns how to communicate, it's pretty amazing, how every day can just become that much easier and more fun.
And you have been a big part of organizing the trip.
Yeah.
And you've been co-skipping.
Yeah.
How has it been?
Well, I wouldn't say, because I didn't get my skipper's license because they canceled it. First mate.
Yeah, first mate.
Yeah.
So how was that? You taking part in the sailing on the boat? How has it been?
Yeah, so this is my first time as Susie's first mate, and it's been really amazing because the only times I've sailed with her has been on the bigger tall ship, Twister, and it's just amazing. She's so calm, so intelligent, and just really skilled at sailing and everything. She's amazing. I love her.
Thank you. And we are also many different people, nationalities. How has the community life been on board?
Really nice. The community life on board has been amazing. It usually takes a few days, I think, to get into. I know a lot of us live a life of solitude a little bit. But like I said, after a couple days and everyone gets comfortable with each other, we all kind of find our groove and what we're good at, who can help where, and everything just started to flow very naturally. Where I know some boats had to have a schedule, our boat, we just kind of all filled in the gaps where, one person maybe didn't do so much, the other person didn't like that, but someone else loved it. So it was very more natural, I think, than a lot of my other experiences with community living on a boat.
And how was it to have like 4 vessels like floating more or less together? How did it work out?
Yeah, so we had the 4 boats in total, and it was really cool to see because Susie had the app, so we could see all the boats. It's really interesting to see all the different types of sailing that were done and the different courses that all the skippers took based on the wind that wasn't always in our favor, but everyone was very skilled, and it was super impressive to see. We all got there in relatively the same amount of time, so that's nice, usually.
And yeah, we are in Greece.
We are.
What can you say about Greece? Have you been here before?
No.
Or is it as you imagine it to be? Or was it warmer? Or what's on your mind? Like when I say, how was Greece now when you have a little bit of experience?
Yeah, so this was my first time in Greece, and I always, like I said earlier, like I always dreamed of living on the water or being around it, and I always said, oh, if I ever go to Greece, I'd want to like sail around the islands, and now it's like, I'm hosting, co-hosting this, and it's pretty amazing as well. I'm going to say amazing a lot. But yeah, it's really beautiful. Everyone's been so lovely. The weather has, I think, given us a little bit of everything. Especially for this time of year, but mainly it's been like gorgeous. We didn't have any rain, which is awesome as well.
Yeah, we have been.
Look over here, it's like almost November.
Yeah, look at me, I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Oh,
He has no shirt on, so.
yeah, thank you. I'm on the camera. A little bit of a distraction, It's like
Exactly.
half-naked interview. No. Okay, and any difficulties?
No, I think there's always some kinks to work out in the beginning, especially when you're bringing people from different places of different points in their life with different personalities. But overall, it's like always interesting to see, no matter where you come from, there's always something you can connect about. And that's, I think, something I've really learned from traveling a lot and being around a lot of different people. We're all quite similar, no matter what path we've decided to take in life. So that's always kind of comforting.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
You said it all.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.